you doing, Aiden?
Cutting the box.
Cut the box open.
Cutting the box open.
Good answer.
And what is this? Hello, we're doing some unboxing here.
What we have here is the plant covers. Springtime's right around the corner, and we have some late frost. And we're gonna take care of our fruit orchard that we spent so much time on last year. We're gonna make sure we try to protect it and get through the frosty season so we can have some nice buds.
So this is a plant cover for the
These are
trees.
smaller trees, but still these are pretty good size.
Nice.
And what you do is, I got nicer ones, you know, they're a little thicker, protect a little bit more.
Yeah, we will. So how many of these do we have all in all?
We got like,
My
I
goodness.
think 18 of these big ones. And then you got, I think 10 of those lighter ones. 18 of the heavy and 10 of the lighter. So that's the bag. I guess it's like a bag. 84 by 84 bag for the drawstring. And yes, we got two to a bag. So this one here is 2, 4, 6, there's 8 of them. 8 of them here. These are, yeah,
Nice. 8 of this.
let's see.
So what's nice about this is you can open it and just pull the string
Close it around
and
the tree.
close it around the tree. That is awesome.
And if you leave it on when the sun comes out, it's fine, because the sun can still get through there, so you're not going to hurt the tree.
Wow.
You're just going to keep the frost off of it. Keep it warm inside there.
Yeah, so there you go.
And these are, they have different thicknesses. These were like 1.5, they call it 1.5 ounce. And I got some other ones that were like 3/4 ounce, or just like sheets, you know, for smaller plants.
Yeah, so this is like an investment because we're gonna be using this for so many years to protect the fruits during the first frost and not waste. Oh my goodness! This is
Is it the same as that? Is it the same as that?
Oh my goodness!
So-
How many did we get?
1.77 ounce. What was that paper from the other one?
Looks like this is thicker.
Oh, so they're both bags. Very nice. I thought the other one was just actually a sheet. So this was one that was like a 0.95 ounce, one I showed you guys. And then this one here is actually thicker. This is the 1.77. I'll pull this one out. You can see the difference in the thickness. Very nice though.
So this is how it looks like. It's gonna go. It can go all the way to the very base of the tree or any plant.
Yes, see how thick this is? You can see the difference here.
Oh, it's very thick.
Yeah, this one here is very heavy duty.
Is this for the regular trees?
Yeah, this is for like the
Oh
fruit
my
trees.
gosh.
You can see the difference here. And you can see my hand through there.
You can fit in here. Can I cover you up?
Yeah, see the difference? See my hand there?
A cover pop up here.
No.
It's about almost twice as thick.
Okay.
It means it'll weather better in the weather. It won't rip as easy.
Wow.
These ones are pretty nice too.
Yeah. This can be for the.
Wow, these are huge. These are a little bigger than those.
This can be for the elderberry.
Yeah, those are for the smaller ones. These are for the bigger.
ones, for the gojai, goji.
There you go.
Oh no.
And I can still breathe.
Oh my God. Mark is inside.
Huh?
Mark is inside.
Yeah, yeah.
This is for huge trees, baby. Huge.
Yeah, they'll be good. They'll work us for several years. Oh, I think we said there was 8 big ones in that one. Right? Someone's got 2 of these in there, 2 big ones, right?
Yeah.
Wow.